Whoa! That was some dream. But I wonder what caveman meals might have looked like.
There were no farms in prehistoric times and no kitchens either, so they probably had very different meals from ours. Since food provides us with nutrients, we know that they got all their nutrients from the food they hunted and gathered. This includes vegetables, fruits, nuts, roots, and meat. So why don't we do a bit of prehistoric catering? Help me classify this prehistoric dinner into the nutrient categories. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals have been part of our diet for millennia, and getting all these nutrients in our meals is essential. Sufficient amount of necessary nutrients are required for healthy growth and development of a body. This kind of diet, which has all the variety of nutrients, is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet should also have enough fiber and water. Does having a balanced diet mean having the same food for every person? No. Balanced diets can exist across various cuisines, like carbohydrates can be from rice or potatoes, or proteins from meat or pulses. They can also have different meanings based on people's ages, or even the amount of physical work they do. Younger people like you need more carbohydrates and proteins in your diet than older people. Since you are growing and also more physically active, you need food that provides more energy and helps you grow. So nutrient-rich food makes us healthy, which means eating a lot of food must make us super healthy, right? No. Eating too much food could also be harmful as well. It can lead to a condition called obesity. Having a lot of fatty foods is the main reason for obesity. One of the main differences in our current diet and the cavemen's diet was that they did not cook their food. Cooking helps make food easier to digest and also kills any disease-causing germs that may be there in the ingredients. However, overcooking vegetables is also not good. It might lead to loss of vitamins and minerals. These nutrients might seep into the water or oil used for cooking and might just leave the food. Also, we get dietary fiber from raw fruits and vegetables. So right thing is to have a good combination of properly cooked and raw vegetables for a proper diet. Let's revise. A balanced diet is one which has sufficient quantity of carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals, as well as a good amount of fiber and water. There is no fixed formula for a balanced diet. It varies with age, amount of physical activity and cuisine. It may be different for each person. Eating too much of a certain nutrient can be as harmful as not having enough of the nutrient. Talking about food makes me hungry. I'll go and make myself a balanced meal. Make sure your next meal is balanced too. And remember, we stay curious.